Okay, so this is a korg chrome 61 keys. I'm changing this SD card. It's not that difficult to change. It's just this it's a 4 gig. It's a 4 gig SD card. So I'm changing it with this new one, which is a 16 gig. It's a 16 gig, but this is a preloaded SD card with korg chrome software. So yeah, don't just buy any 4 gig or any 16 gig SD card without information inside. It must be loaded with korg chrome software. So yeah, it's very simple to do. So yeah, thank you guys.